Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's big question: is AI killing jobs in 2024? It's a topic that is stirring up a lot of debate, especially among the tech and the programming world. Let's dive into this and really see what's happening. Ready? Let's go. First off, what do you mean by generative AI? It's this cool kind of AI that's all about making new things like art, music, and even writing code. In 2023, we saw it do some pretty amazing stuff. But here's the thing, it's not here to replace us, it's more like a super smart helper. For us programmers, it's like having a coding buddy who's really good at this boring stuff, so we can focus on the creative and the challenging parts. Now, to the heart of the matter. Is AI stealing our jobs? Not exactly. Sure, AI can automate some tasks, but it can't match our creativity or solve complex problems like we can. It's not about taking jobs, it's about changing how we work. AI is shaking things up, making our work faster and more efficient. It's an opportunity for us to upskill, to do more interesting stuff, and yes, even create new kind of jobs in tech. But it's not just tech. Other sectors are feeling the impact too. Let's have a look. In manufacturing, AI driven robots are now doing assembly line tasks which used to be done by people. In data entry, AI algorithms are automating the processing of large volume of data, making the manual data entry less needed. And in customer service, chatbots powered by AI are handling basic customer queries which used to require human operators. These changes mean some traditional jobs are decreasing, but they are also creating new roles in AI management and oversight. Back to our world, the software industry. Here, AI is automating tasks like software testing and basic coding. This means a shift in the kind of jobs available. It's not about job loss, it's about job transformation. The exciting part? New demands for skills in AI model training, AI ethics, and integration. We are not just coding, we are shaping how AI works. For us programmers, 2024 is about adapting and growing with AI, taking on new challenges and roles. And here is something cool: prompt engineering. It's about how we communicate with AI to get the best results. This skill is becoming crucial, especially in creating content, coding, or even customer service with AI. In 2024, being good with prompt engineering is going to be super important. It's about knowing how to talk to AI effectively. So, is AI killing jobs in 2024? No, it's changing them. It's an exciting time and new opportunities to learn and grow. Thanks for watching. Got any thoughts or experiences working with AI in your work? Drop a comment below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's embrace the future with AI. See you in the next episode.